So now that we have our simplified article, I'll begin to show you some of the features of Read and Write Gold. So most importantly, what you'll want to start with is hitting play and listening to the article. So I'll show you how to do that. Here you'll hit the play button.
The Great Barrier Reef is in danger of losing its beautiful colors for good. Coral lives deep on the bottom of the ocean. It lives in colonies called reefs.
So you can see there you can hit play and pause as you wish. If you hit stop, it will go back to the beginning next time you hit play again. So you can read yourself or go ahead and hit play and listen. And then what I want you to do is as you're reading or listening, I want you to be hearing words that you might be familiar with but not know the definition of, or words that are totally new to you. So from what I just heard, the word coral, I've heard of it before. I'm not entirely sure. So I highlighted it and I'm going to click blue because I usually use a different color for every paragraph. Also, since this word reef seems very important to this article, I'll highlight the word reef and make that blue as well. Okay, if you want to start reading from a different point than the beginning, you can highlight a whole section like this. I'll highlight the whole second section and hit play.
Bright colors are fading. The reef is known for having bright colors. Lately, much of the coral has turned white. Scientists.
So you can see it started playing from right where I highlighted. So now I'll select a couple more vocabulary words. I'll select bleaching. I've heard of bleach, but I'm not really sure how they might be using it in this article. So I'll make that purple since it's from my second paragraph. And also the word tourism down here. I've heard of the word tour. I might not know what tourism is, so I'll select that vocabulary word as well. And then you'll continue on down for the rest of the sections of the article. But for the purpose of this video, I'll stick with those 4 selections. And now I'll show you how we're going to collect these vocabulary words and turn it into a study sheet. So over here on the side, you'll see these 3 dots and 3 lines with the word vocabulary. So after I selected my vocabulary, I'll click that button and it tells me a new document containing my vocabulary words is being made. And there it is, it just pops up. So you'll see there's our words, coral, reef, bleaching, and tourism. And you'll see it has a couple different columns. There's the word, the meaning, several different definitions. So I'll probably have to read through those and see which one is most likely having to do with my article. And then also there's a picture definition that they call a symbol here. So there's a picture of coral, a picture of a reef, picture of what bleaching might be, and a picture of tourism. So you can see this is very useful because you can have the word definition as well as the picture definition. And then I can put my own notes here, perhaps what the article might have shared about each of these words. And then you can go ahead and print this when your teacher allows you to, and you can study your new self-selected vocabulary from here. Well, I'm hoping that you liked using the features of Read and Write Golds, and if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Thanks.